Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Starbucks gift card on a DoorDash. All right. If you ask if it's possible, yes, it is possible. Now, as you can see here, I have my phone opened. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to our profile. It could be right here at the top right or the Me section right here at the bottom right. Now, I'm just going to tap on it. Now in here, I'm going to go ahead and go to payment methods. All right. I'm going to tap on it. And in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find this. Redeem a gift card to add credits. This one. When you tap on it and tap on the box right here, just put your gift card PIN. All right. Once done, once you have it entered, just go ahead and tap on redeem to your account. And once it's successfully redeemed, go back and you'll be able to see your credits right here. All right. And some notes, your USD credit will automatically be applied to your next order, and it can only be applied in the United States. Now, if you're wondering if it's really true right here, I'm going to show you. Under gift cards, when we look for Starbucks, hit enter. As you can see here, it is available. All right. So basically, we can use it as well. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.